Hi there. Welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. Are you ready to boost your English? In today's video, we're going to learn 150 common English words for everyday conversation. Short, simple, and super useful. Let's get started. 1. Tell. Can you tell me your name? 2. Very. This is very good. 3. Woman. The woman is my teacher. 4. Through. We walked through the park. 5. Life. He wants a good life. 6. Child. The child is playing outside. 7. Down. She sat down on the floor. 8. May. It may rain today. 9. Should. You should eat more fruit. 10. Call. Please call me later. 11. World. The world is big. 12. School. She goes to school every day. 13. Still. He is still at home. 14. Try. Try to do your best. 15. Last. I saw her last night. 16. Ask. Ask your mom for help. 17. Need. I need a pen. 18. Too. I am too tired. 19. Feel. I feel happy today. 20. Three. We have 3 dogs. 21. State. This state is very big. 22. Never. He never eats fish. 23. Become. He wants to become a doctor. 24. Between. The ball is between the shoes. 25. High. That wall is high. 26. Really. I really like this movie. 27. Something. She said something nice. 28. Another. Can I have another cup? 29. Much. Thank you very much. 30. Family. My family is here. 31. Own. This is my own car. 32. Leave. I will leave soon. 33. Put. Put your bag here. 34. Old. My old friend is back. 35. While. Wait while I finish. 36. Mean. What do you mean? 37. Keep. Keep the door open. 38. Student. The student is smart. 39. Why? Why are you sad? 40. Let me help you. 41. Great. That was a great day. 42. Same. We are in the same class. 43. Big. It is a big house. 44. Group. We work as a group. 45. Begin. Let's begin the game. 46. Seem. You seem happy. 47. Country. This is my country. 48. Help. Can you help me? 49. Talk. I will talk to her. 50. Where? Where are you going? 1. The dog is in the house. 2. Be. She wants to be a teacher. 3-2-2. We like to play games. 4 of. He has a lot of books. 5 and. Tom and Mary are friends. 6 a. I saw a cat outside. 7 in. The keys are in the bag. 8 that. I like the car that you bought. 9 have. They have 2 kids. 10 I like this movie. 11 it. It is on the table. 12 4. This gift is for you. 13 not. He is not here now. 14 on. The book is on the bed. 15 with. I will go with my friend. 16 he. He is my brother. 17 as. She works as a teacher. 18 you. You are my best friend. 19 do. I do my homework every day. 20 at. She is at the door. 21 this. This is my favorite toy. 22 but. I like tea, but not coffee. 23 his. This is his car. 24 bye. The letter was sent by her. 25 from. He comes from my school. 26 they. They are watching TV. 27 we. We have a dog. 28 say. I always say thank you. 29 her. I saw her at the park. 30 she. She is a kind girl. 31 or. Do you want juice or water? 32 n. I ate an apple. 33 will. I will call you later. 34 my bike is new. 35 1. I have one sister. 36 all. All the kids are happy. 37 would. I would like some water. 38 there. There is a cat outside. 39 there. Their house is big. 40 what? What is your name? 41 so. I am tired, so I will rest. 42 up. She went up the hill. 43 out. He went out to play. 44 if. If it rains, we stay home. 45 about. Tell me about your day. 46 who. Who was that boy? 47 get. I get up at 7 a.m. 48 which book do you want? 49 go. Let's go to the park. 50 Mimi. Give me the ball. 51 when. When is your birthday? 52 make. I make my bed every morning. 53 can. She can swim well. 54 like. I like your idea. 55 time. What time is it? 56 no. No, I don't want that. 57 just. I just got home. 58 him. I called him last night. 59 no. I know the answer. 60 take. Take a seat, please. 61. Person. He is a nice person. 62. Into. He went into the room. 63. Year. This year is special. 64. Your phone is ringing. 65. Good. You're a good friend. 66. Some. She bought some flowers. 67. Could. We could try again. 68. Them. I met them at school. 69. See. I see the moon. 70. Other. I have no other idea. 71. Than. She is taller than me. 72. Then. We ate, then we played. 73. Now. I am busy now. 74. Look. Look at this photo. 75. Only. I only have one pen. 76. Come. Please come with us. 77. It sits. The dog wagged its tail. 78. Over. He jumped over the wall. 79. Think. I think it's easy. 80. Also. She also likes music. 81. Back. We came back early. 82. After. Wash your hands after dinner. 83. Use. I use this bag every day. 84. Two. He has two brothers. 85. How do you feel? 86. Our team won the game. 87. Work. They work at a bank. 88. First. She came in first place. 89. Well. He sings well. 90. Way. This is the way home. 91. Even. Even a child can do it. 92. New. I got a new phone. 93. Want. I want some ice cream. 94. Because. I cried because I was sad. 95. Any. Do you have any milk? 96. These shoes are mine. 97. Give. Can you give me that? 98. Day. It is a sunny day. 99. Most people like music. 100. Us. She helped us a lot.